counties in Michigan, Sanilac, and St. Clair. Lake effect snow warning now in effect until 4 a.m. Friday. Wind chill advisory remains in effect until noon Friday. The lake effect snow warning is now in effect until 4 a.m. Friday. Hazardous weather. Lake effect snow will persist across the eastern from tonight. This will result in an additional accumulation of 3 to 6 inches. Highest amounts will focus across far eastern sections of the area. Snow will be moderate to locally heavy at times. Snowfall rates in excess of an inch per hour will be possible within the heaviest bands. Lake effect snow will slowly diminish and shift east during the early morning hours. Low temperatures will be between 0 and -5 degrees early Friday morning. Winds of 5 to 10 miles per hour will lead to wind chill values of -15 to -20 degrees. Impacts: untreated roads will become snow-covered and slippery, making travel hazardous. A gusty northerly wind will contribute to significant reductions in visibility, in blowing snow at times. Exposed skin will be prone to frostbite. Hypothermia is possible after prolonged exposure to extreme cold. A lake effect snow warning means significant amounts of lake effect snow are forecast that will make travel very hazardous or impossible. Lake effect snow showers typically align themselves in bands and will likely be intense enough to drop 1 to several inches of snow per hour for several hours. Visibilities vary greatly and can drop to 0 within minutes. Travel is strongly discouraged. Commerce could be severely impacted. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Prepare, plan, and stay informed. Visit http://go.usa.gov/RA. The wind chill advisory means that very cold air and strong winds will combine to generate low wind chills. This will result in